In this segment, we are going to learn how to create and share a Google Doc. So what you need to do is get into your Google Drive screen. You should be there already. And we were in previously shared with me. That's where you found your student info file. So we're going to go back to my drive. Actually, you can be in shared with me. It probably doesn't matter. And this button on the left-hand side that says create, that's where you're going to create your content. You can either create a document, which is like Microsoft Word. The presentation is like PowerPoint. The spreadsheet is similar to Excel. The form is actually a survey. That's the checklist that you guys are completing as you do your orientation. And drawing is similar to Glogster or an online poster board. But typically you're going to be working mostly with docs and presentation. But for this one, we're going to create a document. So you click on Create, then your document. Then you have it's called an untitled document. The first thing you do when you're working with Google Docs is to save your document. So we are going to intro document. So to change your title, all you're going to do is click on Untitled Document. We're going to call it Introduction and then your name. So your learning coach knows exactly who it's coming from. Click OK. And you're going to see your document saved up here. You notice that your document looks like a version of Microsoft Word. It's pretty basic. You have all your tools up here, so you don't have the menus like you do with Word, but there's a bunch of different things that you can do with it, which we'll explore probably a little bit later or as you need to. What you're going to do is write a paragraph or just a couple sentences about yourself. And you can tell us what you like and dislike or any information that you want your learning coach to know. This, anything in Google Docs actually saves with each keystroke, so you don't have to worry about hitting a file and save. The older versions you did, but this one you don't really have to save anything. So as soon as you're done, you're finished. When you are finished with your document, you're going to click on the blue button called Share. The PISD Google account already has everyone's name preloaded. So to find your learning coach, and your learning coach is either going to be Mrs. Marinkov or myself, you are going to start just typing in the last name. Okay, so here's Mrs. Marinkov. You're going to use a teacher's teacher account, and you're going to click on Share and Save. You'll see the document has been shared with yourself and with Mrs. Marinkov. Done. And it's finished. Mrs. Marinkov will now see the document in her Google Drive account. That's it.